Question. Show that 2 by pi is less than sine x upon x less than 1 for x belonging to 0 to pi by 2. That means x is in between 0 and pi by 2. Now, first method, using Lagrange mean value theorem. See, you have fx, take as sine x. Now, 1, fx is continuous on 0 to pi by 2. Second, fx is derivable on open interval 0 to pi by 2. There exists a c belonging to 0 to pi by 2 such that f dash c is f pi by 2 minus f0. Just a minute, minus f0. Let's write it properly. Yes. f0 upon pi by 2 minus 0. This becomes, now fx is sine x, f dash x is cos x, f dash c is cos c, f pi by 2 is sine pi by 2, that is 1, and f0, that is sine 0, is 0. So f dash c, using this, cos c is equal to 1 minus 0 upon pi by 2, that is 2 by pi. Now see, one thing you must note this concept. Sine theta is approximately equal to theta. Cos theta for small angles is approximately equal to 1, and tan theta is approximately equal to theta. Keep this thing in your mind. This is the concept needed. This concept. Now see, between 0 to c, between pi by 2, sine x upon x is somewhat equal to 1, which is 1. And you know that any angle cos c is less than 1. Therefore, sine x upon x, this is approximately 1 and this is strictly less than 1. Therefore, therefore I can say, let's write it in this manner so that there is no confusion. Cos c is less than sine x upon x, because this is 1, this is approximately 1. देखो ये 1 है, ये approximately 1 है, तो this can be written as sine x upon x, and cos c is what? Cos c is 2 by pi. So 2 by pi less than sine x upon x. Now one more thing, one more result we know. Now this x, I know that x is in between 0 to pi by 2. So for this sine x is always less than x for x greater than 0, because x is greater than 0. Therefore, sine x upon x is less than 1. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So you have 2 by pi less than sine x upon x less than 1. Now you have been given that, दे रखा गया है 2 by pi, show that sine x upon x less than 1 for x belonging to 0 to 1, 0 to pi by 2. Prove this thing. Prove it. The easier method is you define first fx. Define fx as sine x upon x for x not equal to 0 and 1 for x equal to 0. This is a known, very common example. Now do one thing. Take fx is equal to sine x upon x, differentiate it. F dash x is x cos x minus sine x upon x square. Now x is in between 0 and pi by 2. X is greater than 0 and less than pi by 2. Undoubtedly this implies x is greater than 0. This implies x square is greater than 0. So this quantity is always greater than 0. We will check this quantity now. हम इस क्वांटिटी को चेक करेंगे न्यूमरेटर वाले को. ये तो हर समय ग्रेटर देन 0 है ही बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. Now see, take, let hx is equal to x cos x minus sin x. So h dash x is equal to minus x sin x plus cos x minus cos x. They cancel out and they become x sin x. Now here x sin x. Now here x is in between 0 to pi by 2. So sin x is in between 0 to 1. Multiplying both from this, and let me write this here, pi by 2 x. So from this we get 0. X sin x is pi by 2. So that means implies x sin x is greater than 0, but there is a negative sign here. So h dash x is less than 0. H dash x is less than 0 implies hx is decreasing. Hx is decreasing. Decreasing means if I take like this 0x pi by 2, that means h pi by 2 is less than h of x, which is less than h of 0. So take this, see what happens. What is hx? Hx is this quantity. Hx is this quantity. Let us see. Hx is x sin x, x cos x minus sin x. So h of 0 is 0. H of pi by 2, see cos pi by 2 is 0. So minus 1. This is minus 1. So this is, here it is. So using this, इसको use करते हुए minus 1 hx x cos x minus sin x and h0 is 0 less than 0. That means this quantity is negative. This quantity is negative. ये quantity negative हो जाता है sin x by x. So that's why f dash x is decreasing. This is negative. This quantity is negative. Therefore, f dash x is decreasing function. So because of this, f dash x is less than 0 implies fx is decreasing. Fx is decreasing. Therefore, 0 less than x less than pi by 2 will give me h pi by 2 less than h of x less than h of 0. So what is h? F pi by 2. Sorry, not h. This is wrong. Wait. This is f. F pi by 2, fx, and f of 0. Let's find out what is fx. What is fx? Fx is sin x upon x for x not equal to 0 and 1 for x equal to 0. And f pi by 2 is sin pi by 2 upon pi by 2. It is 1 upon pi by 2. That is 2 by pi. So put the value here of fx here and f0 is 1. So now using this, f pi by 2 is 2 by pi. Fx is this sin x upon x and f0 is 1. So less than 1.